the legends over at DIGGERSHIELD have sent us something extremely cool. So we're going to get that out. We might get that box out of there first. There's a box in the bottom. What have we got here? U17 shield kit. So you're going to see this. This is a polycarbonate tinted screen set. It goes on one of these little diggers and turns it from a cold, windy, horrible place to be, or a sunburny place to be in summer and winter, into a much nicer place. So it appears we've got a fixing kit in here. And then what we got? We've got another DIGGERSHIELD bag down there and a couple of screens. Let's get them out. They're all well protected. Come in a huge box. So we'll get all these out and show you what come in the kit. Alright, so here's kind of the kit laid out. We used the cardboard box to put them on because we're on a gravel driveway. But theory being, we should be able to install this in our driveway with very minimal tools. And yeah, away we go. So these are the fixing clamps. These wrap around your posts on your digger and clamp these screens in place. So you don't actually have to modify the digger to make any of this fit. And we'll show you how easy that is. We've got air fresheners, we've got some DIGGERSHIELD stickers, which will be good for our toolboxes. We've got these rubber grommets and stainless steel hardware in the kit there. A couple of stickers, a DIGGERSHIELD keychain and a DIGGERSHIELD beanie. I don't know if I'm just special because we're doing a deal with them or whether you'll get some goodies as well, but they, full transparency, they half sponsored this kit for us. And yeah, we're going to get it on and see how good it looks. So we'll look at the instructions and we'll unwrap the first screen that they suggest we do, and we'll go from there. Okay, instructions say, first things first, back screen. Back screen's your number 3 of 3. Let's get that out of its bubble wrap safety. It's got protective wrap on it, but it doesn't have it all the way around on these sides, so you're going to want to probably leave it on the bubble wrap to keep it safe. First thing we got to do, out of the fixing kit, we need to get our rubber grommets, and we're going to stick all these in the holes. You'll get a much better step-by-step if you read the instructions. They appear to be really well written, but we're going to give you a bit of a rundown and show you how quick and easy it is. I do have a time-lapse camera going on the other side, so we'll give you a time-lapse and show you kind of us running backwards and forwards. You got pretty much straight rubber grommets in your box. Oh, there's one. Righto. Let's get these grommets in. Let's see how easy this is. I'll try and do it one-handed while I'm cameraing. You want to make sure that your screen is on a clean surface while you're doing this. You don't want to be dragging it around the room. Almost with one hand. Yeah, kind of twist in a circular motion, then pinch the backside through. Got it. There you go. Like that. Okay, they're not too bad. Let's get these on and we'll skip you to the next step. Righto, grommets in. Not too bad of a job. Used one of the bolts to push the grommet in, or a little screwdriver. Peel your plastic back here. I didn't do it on the bottom side because I didn't pick it up. But yeah, they pop in pretty easy. Next thing you want to do, you get all your P-clips. These are the P-clips. They need to be facing this way. Flat to the outside. So we're just prefabbing, putting our P-clips on because I'm going to be filming, so I'll only be holding the screen or slipping a bolt on. As you see, they just go around you, roll over and clip on. Alright, so you get your 4 P-clips each side facing out. I've set that one just up there to hang onto. Should slide up and over our manual box, whatever it is. We don't use one of them, we're not a hire company. Alright, so I'm going to sit up there, tuck in. Let's see if we can get one of these higher ones easily. Oh no, I've probably gone the wrong way still. Or is it too far over one way? Yeah, try these ones. Yep, that's what we need. Alright, so once you get a couple of them on, so we've got one there, and just one on this side, it allows you to start to adjust to see what's lining up. So you can then kind of suss out your heights and stuff like that. So you've got a small bar that goes across the back of these U17s. You actually got some smaller P-clamps in that kit to grab them. Yeah, nice small ones. So as you can see, I didn't peel this away from that. Doesn't matter, you can do it after the fact, so don't panic about that. We'll get these next couple on. We just used they recommend an Allen key and a 10mm ring spanner. I've gone small Tool Pro ratchet. It was very quick. It allows you to get onto that nylock in there. There's no real space concern on the inside here, so if you've got a real short ratchet, you'd be laughing. And it's a 5mm Allen key. So a bit of that, and you can be tightening them up yourself. Pretty easy, obviously, if you're not filming. Okay. So as you can see, when you got your buddy, all you got to do is hold one side. You want to just get them all in there loose-ish. You don't want to don't go too crazy. Because one thing you have to do is get your height right. And to get your height right, you've got to get these ones to line up on this crossbar. The crossbar. So you got to get. Now we can flip the seat forward. So if you didn't know, with your Kubota U17, you've got a pull lever here. You pull that and grab hold of the chair. You can actually, without that knob getting in the way, flip your chair up out of your way. And that's how you get to these little buddies down here. And that's what governs your height. This holds the center at the bottom. You really want to get these lined up as much as you can before you focus on the outsides. So being that you're doing the back one first, you can easily, if you're doing this by yourself, you can easily get two hands around to do these up. So then you've got a couple of clips to do, and we'll move on to the next one. It's basically the same. Once you've done one, they're quite simple. You just get them lined up where you want them, do them up tighter, and they really pull in there. So they've got this perspex formed in a pretty good shape that I like. It appears to be that the back of the seat armrest will sit in there nicely, obviously because it's on the outside of the ROPS. There's not too much on the Kubota that hangs out, so it's looking good. They look good tinted. They're going to be so good on a hot summer's day. Okay, so we've cheated a little bit. Lined up the holes because we had second person, obviously, that we had to do a sneaky lineup. So if you do that, you can line up approximately where your clips are going to go. Makes life a bit easier. Alright, so up in here, you've got your bracket. You roll the P-clip around the top, and then you end up with this P-clip at the top, bracket there, fixing there like that. And that just really holds that in, doesn't flop around at all. Well, that's the last one. Let's get a look at it from the outside. We've still got to strip a bit of the plastic off it. That's cool. It's taken us an hour and 20 minutes, and that includes a little bit of stuffing around, filming, half reading instructions. So yeah, two people that are good at kit assembly things. Our job basically. If your apprentice isn't that quick at doing things, you're gonna have a bad time. It'll probably be 3 hours and you'll lose all the nuts. Alright, so I'm really impressed. They've actually got a cool little laser cut. Oh, look at the sunset behind it. Oh, cool laser cut digger lid symbol in the back of it. That's good, that's important. Branding's good. We put their little sticker on that side. That looks good. It's all nice and tight, like Doesn't flop around, doesn't shake when the machine's idling, nothing like that. Which is good. That's obviously all the fixings and rubber grommets make a big difference. It fits up in there nice and tight. Yeah, their folds and stuff, they could have been a lot lazier and not folded stuff like this, just had it cut off or stop it in a different spot, but they've gone to the effort of folding these up. This is quite a premium product. Fuel flap opens beautifully. You'll still get a nozzle in there, no worries. Jerry can maybe a little bit harder, but probably on this angle still be fine. Yeah, even included this wonderful polishing mitt. Look at this, just polish it up. Thanks, Digger Lid. So they gave us a massive discount on this for us to make a bit of a video and show you this, and you'll see this on all the social media platforms. But yeah, I would, if we buy another machine, we'll buy the same thing again straight off them to suit that. It's excellent. It's going to be great for us in the hot summer sun down here in Tassie, getting sunburnt like crazy. Yeah, thank you, Digger Lid. Thanks for watching. Catch us on the next video. We'll show you what it looks like on the inside on a sunny day.